Welcome to you all, genius and curious student in KMC, that is Kana Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on the pattern NCERT. We will here find out some equation of tangent and normal also at the given point to the given curves. In this reference, we will recite the question number 14, part first, that it's given the equation of curve, that is y equal to x4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, and you have to find out the equation of tangent as well as the equation of normal at the given point, that is 0, 5. First of all, we will use previous methods to find out the dy by dx of the curve at a specific point 0, 5, and hence by virtue of the slope of normal, that is equal to minus 1 upon the slope of tangent, we will use this trick to find out the equation of normal at the same point 0, 5 also. Hence, in order to find out the dy by dx, we will differentiate the curve, the equation of curve with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to x4 means 4x cube minus 18 x square minus 18x square plus 26x plus 26x minus 10. But dy by dx at a specific point, that is x is equal to 0, by substituting 0 in the differential equation, that is dy by dx 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10, every term corresponding x will become 0 because we will substitute x is equal to 0. Hence, all these terms including the coefficient of x will become 0, 0 minus 10, that is minus 10. And now the tangent to the curve at the specific point 0, 5 is given. Hence, equation of tangent to the curve at 0, 5 is y minus y1, that is 5, and dy by dx at x is equal to 0, that is minus 10, and x minus x1, that is 0. This will become minus 10x, or y plus 10x minus 5. Y, by transferring here, y plus 10x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. And slope of the normal, is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x is equal to 0 is equal to, here this is the slope of tangent, hence by virtue of this trick you will get the slope of normal, that is minus 1 upon minus 10, minus 1 upon minus 10, that is equal to 1 upon 10. Hence the equation of normal at the same point, hence the equation of normal to the curve at same point is y minus y1, that is 5, is equal to dy by dx upon normal, that is slope of the normal 1 upon 10 x minus x1, x minus x1, that is 0. Here by multiplying 10 both sides, you will see this is 10y minus 50 is equal to x, or 10y minus 50 minus x is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal, hence the well settled answer of this question number 14 first. Now the second part of the question number 14, you have given the equation of curve, that is y equal to x4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, but you have to find out the equation of tangent and normal at the point 1, 3. Hence, in order to find out the slope of the curve at the specific point 1, 3, we will differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to 4x cube plus 13x square plus 13x square minus 10x plus now 4x cube plus, here this will be equal to minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. dy by dx at x is equal to 1 means 4 1 cube 1 cube minus 18 1 square plus 26 1 minus 10. This is equal to 4 minus 18 and this is 26 minus 10. 4 plus 26 30 minus 18 minus 10 28 is equal to 2. Hence the equation of tangent at point 1, 3 we get y minus y1, that is 1. And what about dy dx? This is 2x minus x1, that is 1. Here is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 will be cancelled by minus 1, y is equal to 2x, and dy by slope of the normals, and slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, that is minus 1 upon 2. Hence the equation of normal at point 1, 3 we get y minus y1, and m is equal to minus 1 by 2 x minus x1, that is 1, or 2y minus 2y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1. 2y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1. Here is equal x plus 2y, x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent, and this is the equation of normal. Well, here we have committed a mistake. Y minus y1 means y minus 3, and this is 2x minus 1. Now y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2, then y is equal to 2x plus 1, and here y minus y1, y minus 3, and this is 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 1. So x plus 2y minus 7, 0. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.